This looks like Saw walking in.
That's what I.
But yeah, so that's fine. I think we can make that one.
You think so?
An option, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
It's only 2 days.
Oh,
This is great too.
Now, what would that rail have been used for, aside from just moving engines?
Moving painted. You said painted pieces, right?
Yeah, we can paint in there.
So they would move things. They get sprayed down, moved along.
Well,
This would
actually,
be easier
they
to-
got painted in that room over there, and then slid into this room.
So this was an assembly line of some kind?
Kind of, yeah. This was when they used to do like more metal fabrication, boat trailer and stuff like that.
Joe would be able to control the wiring more here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and see, putting something over these windows from the outside would not be a huge deal. Because, I mean, it's just a ladder at this point. You know, it's not a bucket lift.
Yeah, yeah, we can get a lean-to from someone in town.
Yeah. Oh, look at these chains. These are awesome. And see, we put the mat right here, center it in between those beams,
I like that with the beams making kind of our arena
parameters.
wall.
Yeah.
really. And there's plenty of space for the funk to go down.
Look how mean this floor is, too. It's awesome.
Only slight concern is the optics with the second tier that we've been wanting.
Yeah. Well, we at least have the room. In the other room, we don't have the room to make a second tier. There's not the height. In this one, we can make like a little half tier with staging.
That's what you're talking about with that.
Yeah.
If we could do multiple levels, like a high one for the rollers and then like a medium one for Mamasan.
Something.
Is it forklift?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Big green screen, big white screen. Lighting in.
I mean, you just want a workspace for the time being?
I don't know if I could afford that right now.
No.
So, just because lease, you know,
I got you.
but, I mean, depending on the prices, I mean, I'd have to look at the finances.
We got 2 of these left. And we don't have a very high turnover rate. You know,
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. This place would be great for period pieces.
something like this, it's roughly $285 a month.
Okay.
Wow, that's
That's
not bad.
Yeah, it looks like it. Use the backdrop.
I wonder what that space used to be.
Mostly warehouse storage.
See, like this whole walk right here is like the most amazing exterior shots would be right here
Oh, yeah.
of him walking.
I mean, like you were saying with, next snow, next to, Twilight,
Right.
you know, this would come off really good. We wouldn't have any harsh sun.
This is the room that he's talking about. This huge one. That's these two.
I'm gonna start talking about
Just
cutting.
walk in thought, walk in deep thought.
This space is pretty awesome too.
Yeah.
I feel I'm worried about controlled lighting, right? This one would be harder to do.
Talk about totally missing the elephant in the room. I looked at everything and then noticed the giant screen over here. Where did that
Oh
come
yeah.
from?
We use this as our movie theater.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then I guess the projector goes there.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Did you guys make that? Oh wow. Huh?
Really thick pull strings. Or zip ties, I mean.
Zip ties, yeah.
That way, if someone asks a question, I can answer.
Represent.